merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes. Changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me.
Side by side facing me, two right behind them. Two in front, two in the middle.
I'll get the backside. What?
So you're in front, I guess, and then you're in the middle. Alright, this flight crew moves on. You guys can have that. So then, go right ahead. Please hold on the middle.
If you're wearing any bags or hard lights, hands on the floor.
Side by side, two in the middle.
So you're going to be going left to right. You're going to be flying left to right.
All right.
You're going to be going up and down. Forward to go down, back to go up. Just try not to hit anything. I don't have a seatbelt back here.
Alright.
The second group's going to be my gunners. Shoot everything you can, and just don't swap those two things, okay? Alright, and last seat's going to be my engineers. If we do not have anybody who wants to be an engineer, we'll have the droids take over it. Should be fine. Cool. R5's pretty good. Alright, any questions about anything? Alright, have you worked for Honda before?
No.
That explains it. See, you know, no paycheck, right? Yeah.
I'm still trying to get out of the hole with it.
Yeah, I got promised one too, but that was a while ago, so. Right down the hallway. Maybe Honda will be generous this time.
A brand new flight.
Forgot your roll.
Boost at the beginning and end, hit the blue and we get points.
Okay.
The brake is going to be the forward.
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot to the left. Move your stick to fly right and left.
Wow.
I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up.
Fly out! Fly out! Fly out!
Weapons are online.
Hey! Wow!
I didn't think I had to pay you. That's right. Let's go get that coaxial. Right, pilot.
Hands, you gotta be shooting, bro.
I'm shooting! Pull the lever. Pull the lever. Pull the green one. There you go.
There's the train. Papa. Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out.
Hands and shoot, bro.
I'm holding it down. I'm the red.
Take evasive action.
Hold on.
Down.
There it is. After that train. Fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, got it. Shoot on target.
Red light.
Pilot brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse.
Hang on.
Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have go axial. You see, just as I promised. Now that the resistance has lady, made with some commando. Pilots, line up behind the train. We can harpoon them last time. Gunners, shoot the train. Keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You pick up the train. Punch. Oh, that's ridiculous. Heads are getting too hot. Get out of there. Down. Distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. It's coming down.
Pull back.
Let's fire. Hit the booster. Boost. We did not die.
Alright, punch it,
Let's
Chewie.
get out of here.
Punch it! What the hell? Terrible driving. Terrible flying. Watch out!
You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Good work up there.
That guy's definitely Asian. There's no way he's not Asian.
22%.
Wow.
All right, damage report. Engine failure. All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse.
He's just making it up. He just wants more money.
He didn't fix all of it when he left. Now he's trying to get up to fix.
Exactly.
I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on. Get
That
out.
was stressful.
Did you hit anything?
I pressed one button once.
A Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.